Cleaning the wheels on a diesel loco. This is what you need: a clean brush, a sheet of kitchen towel, paper towel, and a jar of solvent. The solvent I usually use is methylated spirits. Isopropyl alcohol will do just as well. When I've run out of methylated spirits, I have used either white spirits or mineral turpentine. Also, kerosene can be used. These are the wheels I'm going to clean. I don't think they're all that bad. We'll see what happens. First of all, wet the paper towel with the solvent. Then take my throttle, set the loco putting forward, I put the throttle in forward and put the throttle on fairly high. It doesn't want to run very well. Sometimes they won't run all that well if they've got dirty wheels. You can see from the first pass how much dirt has come off the wheels. Then I move the paper into another spot. Power the loco up again. I don't put a lot of pressure on the loco. There we are, we can see in the second pass, not as much has come off, so the wheels are getting cleaner. I'll apply some more solvent, turn the loco around, put my throttle into reverse, the loco is running better now already from the one set of clean wheels. Like I said, not a lot of pressure, mostly just rely on the weight of the loco. Roll it off. There you can see some more dirt come off. Try again. We've already cleaned these wheels, so we'll see how we go. You see the loco is running now. It's running with the paper towel there, it won't run now. There now, those last set are pretty good now by the look of them. You see how much I've got off the wheels. Right, we'll go back to forward again. What you can do, you can just let the roco run up onto the paper now. It's running quite well because that should be it. Nothing coming off now. Hopefully now you can see the wheels are quite a bit cleaner than they were originally. See how bright they look now. I hope this little video has helped you, and thanks for watching. See you later.